Venkatesh. Welcome to Venky's Emerging Age YouTube channel. So coming to part 2, here we are discussing K nearest neighbors. K nearest neighbors technique. So here we take the data set is there. Already we are applying previous part 1 nearest neighbors. So here applying of K nearest neighbors is a data set contain 6 samples. X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6. Each sample contain the individual class labels. So that is completely supervised data set. Number of classes C1, C2. Here also we taking one more challenge. T is a new data item related to, for example, 5, 6. So 5 new data items related to which class? Either maybe a class 1 or class 2 based on this data set. Now we are applying of K nearest neighbors. So here we are adding new data item. New name is K. K means constant value. So taking the number of samples we are considered. Number of data items to be considered is K. For example, here we solve this problem. Here consider the K equal to 4. K equal to 4. Is it clear? So here are same process. We need to find out the distance between new sample to data item. First means x1 comma t. What is the distance? x2 comma t. What is the distance? x3 comma t. x4 comma t. x5 comma t. x6 comma t. Is it clear? So here we need to find the distance. Okay, we already calculate the distance. For the distance, so distance got is maybe a 2, 6, 7, 3, 8, so for example x6 comma t is kind of 1. It's a distance. I think all of you know this. So how to calculate the distance? For example, here is a new data item. What is the 5 comma 6? What is the x1 data item? 2 comma 3. So take this is x1 y1, say x2 y2, 5 comma 6, and our x1 2 comma 3. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. Then we are applying of square root of x y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Then y2 minus y1. So 3 minus 6. That means square root of 3 square plus y2 minus 5 minus 2 or 2 minus 3. What is the 3 square? That means square root of 9 plus 9. Square root of 18. 18 means that means a 3 root 2. Is it clear? But we can easily understand purpose. For example, x1 comma t got it now 2. So distance is 2. Like that x2 6, x3 comma t is a 7, x4 comma t 3 like that. So in which what is the k value? 4. So out of these samples we select the only 4 samples. Less distance 4 samples. What is the first one? This is a first sample. This is a second sample. This is a third sample. This is a fourth sample. Is it clear? K equal to 4. Then the first sample. What is this class? X1, C1. What is the class of X2? C1. What is the class of X4? C2. What is the class of X6? C1. Is it clear? See, out of these 4 which one is majority class? C1. So that's why finally decide T 5 comma 6 is belongs to the C1 class. This is say that a K nearest neighbors. Is it clear? Okay. Next, we are mainly focused about WKNN. So WKNN. Okay. So weighted KNN, K nearest neighbors classification algorithm. Here also, for example, x1 sample 2 comma 3 is belongs to the C1 class. x2 1 comma 2 belongs to a C2 class. x3 3 comma 2 belongs to a C1 class. x4 2 comma 2 belongs to a C1 class. x4 4 comma 5 belongs to a C2 class. x5 x6 4 comma 6 belongs to a C2 class. Is it clear? So here weighted KNN, here also we need to find out the nearest neighbors of each and every samples. Is it clear? That means, so each and every, so K nearest neighbors, K means here also taking the K is equal to 4. Is it clear? Then for example x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, sorry, x6 samples only. Okay, x6 samples. So first here distance, for example distance is 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 4. These are distances. But k equal to 4, here select only a 1, 2, 3, 4 samples. That means x1, x3, x5, x1, x3, x4, x6. Is it clear? What is samples? x1 sample, x3 sample, x4 sample, x6 samples. Is it clear? So these are very less distance. 1, 2, 2, 4 only. So why I selected 4 1? W, K, N, and K is also one of the main factor. Okay. What is the x1 distance? 2. x3 distance? 1. x4 distance? 2. x6 distance? 4. Is it clear? Now we need to find out the weight factor. Need to find out the weight factor. So weight of x1. What is the value? Weight of x3. Weight of x4. Weight of x6. Is it clear? So how can you find the weight? So here write some formula. Okay. Okay. So first of all, we need to find out the what are the sample you are selected based on k value, in which find the what is the maximum value, what is the minimum value. What is the maximum value? 2, 1, 2, 4. Maximum value equal to 4. What is the minimum value? 1. Is it clear? Then, so weight of x1 equal to, what is the formula? Weight of x1 equal to max value minus distance of x value by max minus mean. Is it clear? Okay, first you need to find out the x1 distance, x1 weight. x1 weight equal to max. What is the max value? 4. 4 minus distance of x. What is distance of x? 2 by, okay. So max means maximum value 4 minus distance. What is distance? 2 by max minus mean. What is the max? 4 minus what is it? 1. That means 2 by 3. That means you got it 0.66. W of x3. The same. Max. What is the max value? 4 minus. Next, what is the distance? x3 distance? 1 by again 4 minus 1. Then you got it 4 minus 1. Then what will happen? 3 by 3. Then got it 1 only. This is it. What about x4? Then what is formula? Max. What is the max value? 4 minus distance of x. What is distance of x? 2 by max minus min. So 4 minus 1. That means 2 by 3. Then 0.66. Next, x6. x6. What is the max distance? 4 minus. What is the distance of x6? 4 by max minus min. So 4 minus 1. That means 0 by 3. In this situation, got it 0. But in this situation, whenever numerator value equal to 0, then this weight is equal to distance. That means what is the distance of x6? 4. So that's why this weight is of x6 equal to 4 only. Is it clear? Only whenever numerator value equal to 0, then only the data item weight is equal to a distance. Okay. Then x1, which class? For example, x1 is given data set. X1 is a C1 class, x3 is a C1 class, x4 is a C2 class, x6 is a C1 class. Is it clear? Now, here summation of C1 classes, here summation of C2 classes. The C1 class sum 0.66, 0.66 plus 1 plus 4. What is the value? 5.66. What is the C2 weight? 0.66. Which one is high? Which one is high weight? C1. So that's why our new data item T it belong to a C1 class. Is it clear? Thank you. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please follow my channel. If you have any doubt, please give a comment on my channel.